Assalamu alaikum friends. This topic belongs to entrepreneurship series. In this series, we will discuss all the topics related to entrepreneurship. So today our topic is what is difference between active income and passive income. How we can shift from active income to passive income. So let's start. First of all, what is income? If we do any kind of work, we will get some money which will be used as to buy some materialistic things or to buy comfort or to fulfill our needs. It has basically two types. First one is active income and the second one is passive income. In active income, it means job, marketing, selling, labor. In all these current scenarios, for example, in job case scenarios, we work continuously for 30 days. At the end of 30 days, we get reward 100% from working of past 30 days. So if we don't work, our income was zero. But in passive income case scenarios, we start working without thinking the reward for the fixed period. And even in the startup, the reward from passive income was very little. Maybe it is 0%, but at the end result, it may be 1000%. So how it will be possible, we will discuss later. So in passive income case scenarios, things such as properties means properties on rent. We have any kind of home which will be used for the rent purpose. Industries, online working such as YouTube, blogging, education system, any kind of school, college, university, transportation, any kind of transport such as taxi, Uber, Cream, or some kind of buses, etc. In software such as websites, etc. So in both cases, active and passive income, we will discuss detail what are the benefits of passive income over active income. In active income, basically you have finite amount of money and finite amount of resources for a fixed period of time. For example, if you earn 100 rupees per a month, then this quantity was fixed and you have to manage your own budget such as car fuels, utility bills, electricity charges and all other expenses within this fixed amount. So at the end of the month you will be at the same position, means at zero position. For example, you get 100% reward and at the end of month you again comes to 0%. You have to work again for the whole month to reach this level again. But in the passive income case, you get the reward 10% at the beginning, but this reward was continuously increasing over the period of time. For example, you say, put your properties on rent, you make a website and it will give start making money for you. You can use your own any kind of transportation such as Uber, Cream, and put it into rent or any kind of resources which you have, and it will increase your wealth, which comes under passive income. So in passive income case scenarios, the boundary of income coming to you is not fixed. In active case, it is maybe for example 100 rupees per month, but in passive income maybe 5 rupees per month at the startup, but it increases and becomes equal to 1000 rupees per month or even more, means you cannot even calculate. So these are advantages of passive income over active income, and you should use passive income sources of money instead of active income. So hopefully this video will increase your knowledge. We will continuously making all kind of videos related to entrepreneurship series. So subscribe Kyun. It will give the question of all your answers. Share this videos to all social media platforms. Thank you.